switched on their camera, please switch it on. Aparna, 6th F, Anand Srivastava, Adya Yadav. All of you, please switch on the camera. Good afternoon to all. So, your class teachers might have sent message regarding the submission of copy. First of all, I want to know whether you people have completed both the chapters, chapter 1 and 2 in your copy or not. If you have completed, just wave your hand. How many of you have completed the work in their copies? Okay, so almost all have done. Those who have not done, please complete the work in the copy, and you have to submit the classwork copy of physics in which you have written the question answers as well as the assignment, summer assignment which I have given you, a model of scale. I think all of you have made, no? So what you have to do when you will submit, when you will bring the copy for submitting, inside the copy, you keep the model of that scale. Okay. The last page where you have written the question answers. Okay. Here you keep the model of the scale. Okay. Don't submit it separately. Submit it inside your copy only. Okay. Keep the model inside the copy, physics copy, and then submit. Okay. Nobody will submit the book. Okay. Physics book. Nobody will submit. Only copies you have to submit. Understand all of you? Okay. So you have to submit the physics copy as well as the summer assignment of physics for correction. Clear to everyone? Some are eating their snacks now. Stop eating and be attentive for the class. Okay, so let us start. So in our last class of physics, we have started, or we have done the measurement, okay, physical quantity derived at fundamental physical quantity. Then we have done that how to express the measurement by using magnitude and units, be able to express our measurement of any physical quantity. Then we have done the traditional units, okay, and lastly we have done the need of standardizing the units. Okay, the traditional unit, we were using our body parts to measure the things, okay, to measure the physical quantity, even the natural surrounding, that the position of sun and moon and star, we used to determine the physical quantity, but that were not appropriate, they were not exact, they were not accurate. So scientists or people, they felt the need of standardizing, need of bringing a proper system of unit for measuring the physical quantity. Okay, so for that, what happened? Scientists, okay, they have done meeting, okay, they called a conference, and in that conference, they decided to have a standardized unit of measurements. Okay, so during the medieval period, okay, first system of unit as the British traditional system of unit that we call by the name of FPS system was introduced. Okay, so what is this FPF system? Here F is stands, okay, F stands for foot, P stands for pound, and S, it stands for second. Okay, so you can see here, foot is what? It is the unit to measure the length. Okay, so in earlier days of medieval time, the British people, they were using foot. Okay, it is a unit to measure the length. Okay, they were using foot to measure the length. And the symbol of foot is small f and small t. In order to measure mass, they use the unit pound, its symbol is LB, and in order to measure time, they use second, its symbol is S. Okay, so if you check, okay, the name of the unit for measuring the length, mass, time is taken as a way to represent the system of unit which we are using for the measurement. So here FPS, F stands for foot, P stands for pound, S stands for second. So FPS system will tell you that what is the unit or what are the units we are using for measuring mass, length, mass and time. The first one for length, second letter for mass, and the third letter is for time. Okay, so whatever unit we are using for measuring the length, mass, time, that unit in their short form we have taken as the name of that system. Okay, we have taken them as a name of the system. So FPF system is foot pound second system. Okay, in which length we will measure in foot, mass we will measure in pound, time we will measure in second. Okay, even nowadays also in foreign countries like in Britain, in America, people they were using this system of unit still now. Okay, this system of unit. Even in our country also, when we go to purchase cake, okay, we generally use pound. Okay, nobody asks the cake in kilos or this. We generally ask in pound. So we are also using somewhere. Okay, foot also we are using for measuring the length. Second also we are using. Okay, so earlier time it was used in those countries only, but nowadays we are also using it. Okay, so this is the first system which people adopted to measure the physical quantity for measuring length, mass and time. Okay, later on in 1791, okay, one more system was introduced that we called by the name of metric system. Okay, so in 1971, the French Academy of Science developed a system of measurement which was not only simple but also scientific. Okay, scientific means even the scientists, okay, for doing their scientific work, they can use this system of unit because it is a big system. It is bigger than the FPF system. It is convenient to express. So scientists, they also started using this matrix system as a system of measurement. Okay, so for scientific work also people start using this matrix system. Now, what is there in matrix system? Now in this system, the unit of length was named as meter. Means in matrix system, we start measuring the length in terms of meter, in spite of measuring it in terms of foot. Now in matrix system, people are using meter as a unit of length. Okay, since we are using meter as a unit of length, so this system we call by its name, that is metric system. Okay, and hence the system comes to known as metric because we are measuring the length in terms of a meter. Okay, what about mass? The mass was measured in terms of gram. Okay, in metric system, people start using gram as a unit to measure the mass. Okay, so gram is the unit used for measuring the mass in metric system. Okay, so according to system, the unit is differing. Okay, but different. That is the reason the systems are little bit different. Okay, next the capacity. That is the volume. It is measured in liters. So the unit of capacity or volume is our. Okay, so this was the system or this was the unit adopted in metric system. Okay, time we are measuring in second only in this system. Okay, so in the metric system, length is measured in meter, mass we are measuring in gram, and capacity we are measuring in liter. Okay, so this difference you will find in FPS system and metric system. Okay, in FPS system, for length, foot, for mass, is pound, for time it is second. Whereas in metric system, we are measuring the length in terms of meter, mass in terms of gram, and time in terms of second, and volume in terms of liter. Okay, so generally in every system, you will find that the time is always measured in seconds. Okay, the unit for time is a second. Okay. Now let us move to the another system. So the next system is our NKS system. Okay. So in NKS system, okay, M is stands for meter, K stands for kilogram, S stands for second. So this is also kept on the name of the unit we are using for length, mass, and time. Length, mass, and time. So length, okay, as the name is suggesting, meter. So length we are measuring in meter, mass we are measuring in kilogram, time we are measuring in second. Okay, so the length unit in MKS system is meter, symbol is small m. Mass unit in MKS system is kilogram, symbol is small k and small g. Okay, small k and small g. And time we are measuring in second, symbol is small s. Okay, it is small s. Okay, so these are the units which we are using for measuring the length, mass, and time. And the name of the unit, the system name is also. Okay, so MKS system, meter, kilogram, second. Okay, length, meter, mass, kilogram, time, second. Easy to remember. Okay, if you are knowing, okay, just by the system name also, you can easily find out the unit used for length, mass, and time. First one always represent length, second always represent mass, and third always represent time. So it is not that tough. Okay, so knowing the system name, we can also be able to write the units in which length, mass, time is measured. Okay, understand? Clear? So this is our MKS system. Okay. Next is our CGS system. Okay. CGS, it is a smaller system of units. Okay. Smaller than MKS system. Here C stands for centimeter. G stands for gram. S stands for second. So length we are measuring centimeter. Mass we are measuring in gram. Time in second. Understand? That is CGS system. Centimeter, gram, second system. Okay, so length centimeter. Its symbol small c, small m. Okay, small c, small m. Mass, gram, small g. Okay, time, second, small s. So with the unit name, you must also learn the symbol, because most of the time when we are writing the units, we are writing the symbols of the unit. Spellings hardly we are writing. Okay, at many places you will find even in the book. Okay, even when we are doing the numerical problems, we are not writing the complete spelling of the unit. We are writing the symbol. So it is very important to learn the symbols of the unit. Clear? So this is our CGS system. It is smaller than the MKS system. Okay, when we have to measure anything small in size, small in quantity, then we are using this CGS system. When we have to measure something big in quantity, larger in length, then we are using the NKS. Understand? Now these are the system which people were adopted, they were using, but still, then the people have to do some work, some scientific work or some work related based on international market. Okay, they find still some difficulty, because at that time all countries were not using the same system. Like in foreign countries, Britain, America, like there, people are mostly using the FPF system. Okay, FPS system for measuring the thing, and in India, people were using generally the MKS system or metric system for measuring the things. Okay, so when there is some business or some business was there at that time, people were finding or people found that it is difficult to deal with them, to have the this trading system. Okay, so what they have done? Okay, scientists, they sit together, they have a conference, they have a general meeting, and they decided to have a bigger system unit which every country should adopt, every country should follow, so that in international market, scientific level, these units can be used, and it should be clear cut idea for everyone that what it means and what its value. Okay, generally when people they have to do some trading internationally. Okay, so what they have to do? First they have to convert their system of unit in the other country system, then they find out the value, then they have to find out what amount they should charge or what should be the amount, and that was creating a lot of confusion, lot of problem to them to use that system. Okay, so big system of unit, a more standard form of unit, standard, they were also standard only, but this is the unit which adopted by every country. Okay, this system was made. Okay, and in this system, okay, we named this system as SI system. SI means Standard International System for Measurement. Okay, so S is stand for standard, I it stands for International System of Measurement. So Standard International System of Measurement, it came, and people start using this system for international work. Okay, when they are doing some international business, trading, anything like that. So they started using this system of measurement. Even the scientists, when they do some scientific work in the laboratory, they also start using this system of measurement, because this was adopted by every country. So once it is expressed, it is clear to other scientists of other nation also that what and how they are expressed. Okay, so in this system, length measured in meter only, mass in kilogram, time in second, temperature in Kelvin. This is the unit for temperature. Okay, if you come to India and if you ask what is the unit of temperature, we are using generally we are using degree Celsius. Okay, if you go to foreign countries, okay, Britain, America, there, which will you will find that they were using degree Fahrenheit. We are using degree Celsius. They were using degree Fahrenheit. So this having difference in measurement. Okay, so there was a need to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius to understand what exactly it means. Okay, so they have brought this idea, and in spite of that, they have made a new system of unit that we call Kelvin. And okay, so this is our SI system. Okay, for temperature, Kelvin is our SI system to measure, whereas degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, they are the common unit to measure the temperature. So Kelvin except, was taken as the SI unit for measuring the temperature. Okay, for measuring current, it is ampere. Okay, amount of substance means how much quantity of molecule or mole is present in that. Okay, that is your amount of substance that we measure in mole. Luminous intensity in Kelvin. Luminous intensity means amount of light which we are receiving. Okay, amount of light which we are getting. That is our luminous intensity. We are getting less amount of light. Okay, luminous intensity is less. We are getting more amount of light. Luminous intensity is more. Okay, so that amount of light, how we measure in the unit of Kelvin. Okay, so this is the unit system adopted, and these are the basic system. Okay, see that these are the basic physical quantity. Okay, these are the fundamental physical quantity, and their units are given over here. Okay, so length meter, symbol small m, mass kilogram, symbol small k, small g. Okay, time second, symbol small s. Temperature Kelvin, symbol capital K. Okay, symbol for Kelvin is capital K. Okay, electric current ampere, symbol is capital A. Okay, amount of substance we are measuring in mole, its symbol is MOL. Okay, first three letter of mole. Okay, okay, luminous intensity candela, symbol is small c, small d. Okay, so these are the units which we are using in SI system, that is Standard International System. So if you speak this unit system anywhere in any country, people will easily able to understand, and they will easily able to access. Okay, Clear? Okay. So these are the SI system. Okay. So all of you, please learn these systems and their units with their symbols. Okay. So 4-5 system of units we have done. FPF system, metric system, MK system, CGS system, and SI system. So these 5 systems we have done. So all of you, please learn this 5 system of units. Okay. Learn the units which we are using and their symbol. For these units, we will use again and again as we keep on studying. Okay, so all of you please done. Okay, even on page number 19, please all of you take it out. Okay, I think all you have already marked also. On page number 19, the fundamental physical quantity, unit and symbol. That table is given. I think already you have marked now. Those who have marked, good. Those who have not marked, please mark it again and write there learn. Okay, this table is very important. Okay, will help you to understand the physical quantity in a better way. Okay, so these units are important. So learn all of it. Okay. Next is our multiple and sum multiples of units. So what are these multiples and sum multiples? Okay, so some generally when we have to measure, we used to measure the things in metric or MK system. Our general habit. Okay. As soon as the measurement comes, we start measuring it in terms of meter, okay, gram, kilogram, like this, because they are in our common use. Okay, we are generally using it. Okay, but sometime the size of the SI units is too small or too big to measure certain quantity. Okay, generally, if the things comes, we start measuring it in terms of SI system like meter, gram, kilogram, okay, then this seconds, okay. But sometimes what happens, the size of this SI system is not appropriate for the given physical quantity. Okay, for example, suppose you are having an eraser in your hand, correct? Now you may be having eraser with you. If you see the eraser, the size of eraser is very small. If we try to measure the length of eraser by using meter scale, is it going to be convenient for us to express its length in meter? No, because meter will be too big unit to measure the length of an eraser. Okay, so what we have to do? We should use some smaller unit to measure it and express it correctly. Okay, in the same way, if we have to measure the distance between two cities, okay, we have to measure the distance between two cities or two states, okay, like UP to Tamil Nadu, you can say, okay, if you have to measure the distance between UP and Tamil Nadu, then meter, which is the SI unit of length, is a small unit. It is going to be too small to measure the distance between Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So there we need a bigger unit, a unit which is bigger than meter to express it properly so that people can understand it well. They should express it well. They should read it well. Okay, for example, for measuring the length of eraser, meter is too big. So what unit you will use? Smaller. Okay, smaller than meter. Smaller than meter means centimeter. Okay, so the smaller unit which you are using, okay, smaller than the SI unit, that we call by the name of submultiples. Okay, that we call by the name of submultiples. So submultiple means smaller than the SI unit. Okay, clear? Submultiple is the small. Okay, multiple means bigger than. Like we have to measure the if you want to measure the distance between Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, then meter is small. So what we will do, we will go for higher units, more than meter. Okay, and the higher unit of meter is kilometer. So we will express the distance in kilometers. So the higher unit which we are using, that we call by the name of clear. Okay, so sometimes the size of SI unit is either too small or too big to measure a certain quantity. In order to have a comfortable measurement, in such cases, multiples or some multiples of SI units are used. used. Okay, what are multiples? Multiples of a unit are used to create a larger forms, whereas factors or sub-multiples both are same thing. Okay, whereas the factors or multiples are used to create smaller form of the SI. Okay, so any unit which is less than SI unit will be some multiple, and any unit which is more than SI unit, that is going to be multiple. Okay, understand? So multiple means bigger units than the SI, and some multiple means smaller unit than the SI. Clear? Understand what is multiples and some multiples? Okay, multiple means bigger than the SI unit. Some multiple means smaller than the SI. Clear to everyone? Understand? Okay. Okay. Let us move to the multiples and some multiples, their prefix and all. Okay. So this is a table which is given on page number 20. Okay. So all of you take out page number 20 of your physics book. Page 20. See, on this page, a table 3.2, some multiples and some multiples of SI units. Heading is given. Okay, that table. Put tick mark on that table 3.2, table 3.2. Okay, put tick mark on that table and write there learn. Okay. Some multiples and multiples are important. It will help you to understand and to express the value in a better way. Okay. So let us see what they are. Okay, so this is not very new. Okay, it is not very new. You have already done these all multiples, some multiples in your mathematics in class 4th and 5th. Okay, so I'm not showing or teaching anything new. It is old one only. The only thing is that how we are expressing, how we are writing the symbol, how we are spelling it. That is there. Okay, so the first one. Okay, the multiplier, prefix, length, mass, volume, capacity. Okay, so multipliers means the multiples which we are using, multiples and sub multiples. So first column is for sub multiples, you can see. So the first one is 1 upon 1000, that we can also write 0.001. Okay, we read it as 1000th part. Okay, we read it as 1000th part. Okay, and for the prefix, we are writing, okay, its prefix, we are writing milli, M-I-L-L-I, milli. Okay, and symbol of milli is small m. Symbol of milli is small m. So milli means 1 upon 1000. Okay, that is 1000th part of this unit. Unit means 1. Okay, unit means 1. Okay, so this is the standard unit which we are considering. Okay, okay, if we take the 1000th part, okay, 1000th part of this unit, we will get milli. Okay, and its symbol is small m. Prefix means this is the word which we will add before the standard unit. Okay, this is the word which we will add before the standard unit. Okay, so milli. Example where we are using millimeter. Okay, for expressing the length, smaller length. Suppose you want to find the diameter of your hair. So here is a very, very thin, okay, centimeter, meter. It is going to be very, very large units to measure it. So how we measure it? We measure it in terms of the smaller unit called milli. Okay, millimeter. Okay, and what is the symbol of millimeter? Two small n's. First one stands for milli and second stands for meter. Okay, so first one milli, second one meter. So millimeter. This is the symbol. Okay, for expressing length, millimeter. For expressing small mass, small quantity of mass like gold when we are purchasing. Generally, we are purchasing in a very small quantity, and that time we are measuring it in terms of milligram. Okay, so milligram. Okay, 1 gram का 1000 parts. Okay, 1 gram को 1000 equal parts में करके उसका जो 1 part लेंगे, that is your milli. Okay, so milligram. Okay, symbol small m, small g, M stands for milli, G stands for gram. Okay. Next is your milliliter. Okay. When we want to measure a very small quantity of liquid, then it is milliliter. M capital L. Okay. Small m, capital L. Milliliter. Next multiplier or sub multiple is our 1 upon 100. That is 0.01. This is the 100th part. Okay. 100th part of this unit 1. Okay. 1 को 100 equal parts में करके उसका एक part लेना. That is your 100th part. Okay. And how we express this 100th part? By the prefix centi. C-E-N-T-I. Centi. Symbol is small c. Okay, there we are using in length mass to express small length we have to measure, then it is centimeter, like length of a line segment, length of eraser, okay, length of the physics book, that is in centimeter. Okay, so cm, small c, small m. C stands for centi, m stands for meter. For small mass, centigram. Okay, cg, small c, small g. Okay, so c for centi, G for gram. Small amount of volume, centimeter. Okay, C capital L. Okay, C for centi, L for liter. So it is centimeter. Third sub multiple is our 1 by 10. Okay, that is 0.1. Okay, so this is the 10th part. Okay, this is the 10th part. Means 1, we are dividing 1 in 10 equal parts and 1 part we are taking. So when we are taking the 10th part, we are calling it is deci. The prefix is deci. D-E-C-I. Okay, D-E-C-I. And its symbol is small d. Okay, symbol is small d. Okay. Example, decimeter. Small d, small m. D for deci, m for meter. Decimeter. Mass, decigram. D-G. Small d, small g. Decigram. Deciliter, small d, capital L, deciliter. Okay, now this is the unit. Comparing this with, we are making this some multiples and multiples. So this is the standard unit which we are generally using. That is our unit. So this only we call it. Okay, so this is our unit. Okay, and for this no prefix is there. Length we are measuring in meter. Mass we are measuring in gram. Volume we are measuring in liters. If you check, you will find this is which system of unit? System, metric system, na? So it is metric system. Comparing here, we are finding the some multiples and multiples. Okay, now the multiples. Okay, multiple means bigger than this. So it is multiplied 10. When we are multiplying it 10, okay, 10 times. Okay, when we are multiplying it 10 times, 10 गुना ज़्यादा जाते हैं. Then the prefix which we are using is deca. Okay, D-E-C-A, deca. Symbol is small d, small a. Okay, symbol of deca is small d, small a. Example, decameter, A-M. Okay, D-A for deca, M for meter. So decameter, decagram, D-A-G. Okay, decaliter, D-A-M. Okay, so D-A stands for deca. Okay, M for meter, G for gram, L for meter. Okay, so this is 10 times. So this is bigger, more than this unit 1. Okay, so these are our multiples now. Bigger units, okay, bigger than meter, bigger than gram, bigger than meter. So these are our multiples. Upper 3 was sub multiples because they were smaller. Okay, smaller than this units. Okay, so this is some multiples and these are our multiples. Okay. Next, 100 times. When we are multiplying it 100 times, when it is becoming 100 times, then we are using the prefix hecto. Okay, H-E-C-T-O, hecto. Symbol is small h. Okay, examples, hectometer, small h, small m. H for hecto, M for meter. So hectometer, hectogram, H-G. H for hecto, G for gram. So hectogram. Hectoliter for capacity. Okay, HM. Okay, now when the unit or when the one is becoming 1000 times, okay, when we are getting 1000 times more, okay, so when it is 1000 times more, then we are using the prefix kilo. Okay, K-I-L-O, kilo. Okay, kilo. KILO, kilo, and its symbol is small k. Symbol is small k. Okay, and example for length we are using kilometer, small k, small m, kilometer, kilogram for measuring mass. Okay, kg. Okay, small k, small g, kg, kiloliter. It is small k, capital kiloliter. Okay, so these are the some multiples and multiples of the unit meter, gram, and okay, so this is the table which you have to. Okay, so here we have seen the multipliers, their prefix, their symbols, and where and how we are using it. Understand? So in today's class, take here. I am teaching. Okay, the next how to write the SI unit. What is the guidelines? What are the rules we are following to write the SI unit? That we will do in our next. Is it clear? So I request all the students to please learn all these units because they are very important with their symbols. If you not learn, it will be difficult for you to understand further things. Okay, when you do the unit conversion, it will become very difficult. Okay, so better you learn these relations, this abbreviation, their multipliers and multipliers, okay, so that it will be easy for you to understand when we do the numericals related. Understand? Clear? Clear to everyone? Okay. Now, few minutes are left. Some hands are raised. Let me ask one by one. Those who want to ask question, please raise your hand. Okay. Adya Yadav, 6th B. One more thing before I unmute her. There, always the teacher, the class teacher, okay, many times they have sent you a request to write your name, class, and section. Okay, without using any emojis or any type of logo or something. But still many are not following. Okay, many are not following. So please, I request all the students, please enter your name, class, and section there. Don't make any kind of graphics or designs or any emojis. Okay, because there are many like Janvi 63, she had made before her name, there is some icons. After that, her name, her class, section, and again some icons are there. Okay, so please don't do that. Okay, it's creating lot of problem for the teachers to identify who and to find out. Okay, so those who have entered their name like this, okay, after this period, please change it. Okay, write your name, whatever your name is there. Like my name is Sunita Kumari, so I will write Sunita Kumari. So you will also write what your name is there and the class section. Okay, write your class and section, nothing else. Okay, your name, class, and section. Okay, we don't want to see any design, emojis, any photographs. है ना, बहुत सारे लोग दिल विल फूल फाल लगा के रखती हैं, वो दिल फूल निकाल दो. ओके, वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है और ये is also creating problem for the teachers to search you to find you on the screen. Okay, it's my humble request. Every student, please follow this simple method. Okay. Some they have start changing also. Very good. Okay. Okay, Adya, just ask your question.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, you give summer assignment that make a model of 15 centimeter measuring scale by cardboard, chart paper, and thermocol. Ma'am, we have to make a model of the Earth, ma'am, in copy with the help of
First of all,
cardboard and chart paper. And
first of all, you
thermocol
tell
also.
me, in summer vacation, your class teacher might have sent you some videos, some YouTube channels video link. Okay, that
Yes, ma'am.
in that it was demonstrated how to make a scale model. You have seen that,
Yes, ma'am.
and after that, you have made it or not?
Ma'am, but in physics, ma'am, there is a model of the Earth.
Earth, where it is written? In the assignment, what it is written?
Ma'am, make a model of 15 centimeter measuring
15
scale by.
centimeter measuring scale. That is written, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Earth is written anywhere, beta.
No, ma'am.
Then why you are asking for Earth? Why am I telling you to make Earth model? I have told to make only 15 centimeter scale model. Okay? All of you are having scales with you, na? 15 centimeter scale in your pencil box. That
Yes, ma'am.
same scale. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Understand? And how to make 2-3 videos I have sent to your class teachers, and class teachers they have forwarded to you, because that time accident the summer vacation started, so we not got chance to explain the thing. Like some are showing also. Okay, I've not got chance to explain you how to do it, how to make it. So I sent some links, okay, some videos to your class teacher, and I requested the class teachers to pass to you people, and they have done it also. So please go through that. If you have made, very good, very nice. And if you have not made, then please make it soon, because next week you have to submit the copy. Okay, and with the copy you have to submit the summer assignment also. Okay, so you have to make only the scale model.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next. Nitya Patel, 60E. Want to ask anything?
Miss, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Nitya.
Miss, we have to do all the exercise in book.
See, whatever the PDF I have provided, in every PDF it is written what you have to do in the book and what you have to do in the copy. Before I start the question answers or whatever the questions are given, first sentence I have written, do this in copy, do this in book. I have written now. So whatever told, according to that you write. Okay, if it is written there, do in book. So that questions you will do in book. Where it is written do in copy, that questions you will write in copy. Okay, and I already told objective questions in the book, subjective questions in the copy. Subjective question means the question answers which I am giving. Answer in short, answer in detail. These type of questions you will write in the copy. Okay, beta. Whereas filling the blanks, true, false, tick the correct options. Okay, these types of questions you can easily do in the book, because space is provided for these questions. So better you do this type of objective questions in your book, not in the copy. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand?
Thank you, ma'am.
And you have to submit only your physics copy for correction, not the physics book. Book कोई भी जमा नहीं करेगा, सिर्फ फिजिक्स की कॉपी जमा करनी है. Anmol Patel, why you are showing your this house gate and windows and all? तुम्हारे घर थोड़ी ना. Okay, you just show yourself so that I can understand. I can recognize this is Anmol Patel. Okay, understand all of you. So with the copy, you will submit the summer assignment. Also keep the scale model inside the copy. Okay. Okay, Kumar Parth. Unmute yourself and ask the question.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, Parth.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of general conference?
General conference means it is a meeting. Okay, conference meeting. ठीक है, meeting हुआ है सभी scientists का आपस में. General meeting. Okay, talk with all the scientists so that they can decide what unit is correct, what is acceptable. Okay, whether the unit which we are going to accept, it is following the rules and regulation and norms of the or the criteria which we have set for the unit. Okay, for considering a unit to be unit. Okay, there are some rules that the scientists they are following. There are some conditions that unit should. Okay, if it is not lying in that, then we are not selecting it as a unit. Okay. Okay, Anmol. Okay, Anmol Pandey want to ask. Yes, Anmol, unmute and ask. And why you
ma'am.
have written Anmol Pandey 6th F10? Sir of
Ma'am,
10th class. 10
no,
is
ma'am.
what?
Ma'am,
Roll
10 is
number.
yes, ma'am.
Not asked for the roll number. We asked only your name, class, and section. Okay.
Ma'am, I have to, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have
So
to
change
ask
it.
that.
Ask your question.
Ma'am, I have to ask that the table you have shown in the that screen share
Ah,
table. Miss that table we have to learn.
yes. Okay, I
Okay.
told you na, these are the tables on this page. You have to put tick mark and you have to learn. While explaining, I was telling these things also. I told you very clearly that these tables are important. You learn. Okay,
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are very important tables. These are the unit tables. Okay,
Ma'am.
if you not know the unit, it will be very difficult to understand the physical quantities. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the summer assignment that we have to make the 15 centimeter scale,
Ah.
then we have to send that summer assignment also in the school with
Ah,
copy.
just now I
Miss,
told na. Ah.
miss, we will paste in the copy that scale.
Paste it or you just keep it. Okay, it doesn't
Okay, ma'am.
matter as much. Okay, if you are pasting, okay, well and good. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
if you are not able to paste it, simply keep it. Okay, it depends upon. Okay, what is comfortable for you, that. Okay. Yes, Bhavesh Pandey 6th E. Bhavesh Pandey, unmute yourself and ask.
Miss,
Yes, beta.
Miss, I have to say that Miss, in physics copy, then from where you have given the summer assignment, on one page I have written summer assignment, and on the other page I have pasted the scale.
Okay, very good. Good. Like that you can do. Okay, but the scale, divisions, and everything marking should be visible. Okay.
Yes, Miss. Miss, I have.
Okay. Okay. Who is this? Otanvi Rao or Otanvi? Where are you? Camera is switched off. Okay. Tanvi Rao. Okay. Earlier it was showing Otanvi. These all logos and all things you remove. Yes. Tanvi, what is your question?
Miss, you sent 2 videos, but I make more than 2 scales.
I asked to make only one scale. Okay, so which one is better, that you send. Okay, that you submit. Okay. Okay, now no more hand raise are there. So thank you to all of you. Please learn the table, complete your work and submit it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye to everyone.